Hey there, friend. Ever wondered if you could actually get paid in crypto just by doing simple online tasks? Like, no crazy skills, no experience needed, just you, your laptop, and maybe a cup of coffee? Well, guess what? You totally can. And today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to start earning crypto without breaking a sweat. Whether you're a total newbie or just curious about crypto, this video is for you. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's dive in. Okay, first things first, what even is crypto? Crypto, short for cryptocurrency, is basically digital money. It's like regular money, but it's decentralized, meaning no banks or governments control it. Cool, right? And the best part? It's global, so you can earn it from anywhere in the world. Now, why should you care? Well, crypto is the future, my friend. It's fast, secure, and can even grow in value over time. Imagine earning 50 in crypto today, and it turns into 100 tomorrow. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Plus, you can use it to buy stuff, trade it, or just hold on to it as an investment. Let's get you started. Alright, let's get to the good stuff, how you can actually earn crypto by doing simple online tasks. I'm talking about stuff you probably already do online, like watching videos, filling out surveys, or even testing apps. Here are some of the easiest ways to get started. Microtasks on crypto platforms. There are platforms like Coinbox, Bituro, or Cointasker where you can do small tasks like watching ads, clicking links, or even posting on social media. Each task pays a tiny amount of crypto, but it adds up. Online surveys. Websites like Swagbucks, Bituro, or Polpay let you earn crypto by sharing your opinion. It's super easy, just answer a few questions, and boom, you've got crypto in your wallet. Testing apps and websites. Companies like User Testing or TryMyUI pay you in crypto to test their apps or websites. All you have to do is use their product and give feedback. Easy peasy. Freelancing in crypto. If you've got a skill like writing, designing, or even social media management, you can offer your services on platforms like CryptoGrind or LaborX and get paid in crypto. Play to earn games. Yes, you heard that right. Games like Axie Infinity or Gods Unchained let you earn crypto just by playing. It's like getting paid to have fun. Now, before you start earning, you'll need a place to store your crypto. That's where a crypto wallet comes in. Think of it like your digital bank account. There are two main types. Hot wallets, these are online wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. They're super easy to set up and great for beginners. Cold wallets, these are physical devices like Ledger or Trezor. They're more secure but a bit pricier. For now, I'd recommend starting with a hot wallet. Just download the app, follow the instructions, and you're good to go. I'll leave links to my favorite wallets in the description below. Okay, real talk, crypto is awesome, but you've got to be careful. There are scams out there, so here are some tips to keep your crypto safe. Never share your private keys. Your private key is like the password to your wallet. Keep it secret, keep it safe. Use two-factor authentication, 2FA, this adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. Stick to reputable platforms. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Do your research before signing up. Remember, safety first. Now, let's say you've earned some crypto, but how do you turn it into real money? Here's how. Sell it on an exchange. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken let you sell your crypto for cash. Just link your bank account, and you're set. Use a crypto debit card. Some wallets offer debit cards that let you spend your crypto directly. Peer-to-peer trading, you can sell your crypto directly to someone else using platforms like local bitcoins. And that's it. You've officially turned your online tasks into real money. How cool is that? Want to take your crypto earnings to the next level? Here are some pro tips. Diversify your tasks, don't stick to just one platform. Try a few to see which ones pay the most. Refer friends, many platforms offer referral bonuses. Share your link with friends and earn extra crypto when they sign up. HODL, hold on for dear life. If you believe in the future of crypto, consider holding onto it instead of cashing out right away. It could grow in value over time. Remember, every little bit adds up. Even if you're just earning 5 a day, that's 150 a month. Not bad for simple tasks, right? Before we wrap up, let's talk about some common mistakes beginners make. Not keeping track of earnings. Use a spreadsheet or app to track how much you're earning. Ignoring fees. Some platforms charge fees for withdrawals. Always check the fine print. Getting impatient. Crypto earnings can start small, but consistency is key. Stick with it, and you'll see results. Avoid these, and you'll be golden. And there you have it, friend. Everything you need to know to start earning crypto by doing simple online tasks. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or dive into the world of crypto, this is your chance to get started. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share for more.